If you want to level up your sales numbers in 2025, the number one thing that you need to be working on is not your pitch, it's not your script, it's not your body language or your tonality, it's your attitude. So many people think that they have to be someone else to be good at sales, someone they're not. They have to put on a show or a performance. And today what I want to share with you are the top 3 things that top performers do to be authentic in their sales conversations. Because authenticity and true human connection is what sells, not a performance. There's a really popular sales coach out there who he's known for telling his reps that you need to be an actor. You're an actor and you're always on stage and you need to put on this performance. And I'm here to tell you today that connection trumps performance every time. Now, are there people who sell and put on a performance for their sales conversations and maybe they're performing all the time? And are they successful? Yeah, it happens. Is it exhausting? Yeah. And what you'll find is if you focus on connection and being present and being your true self, that is where the high sales performance happens. Now, I've been studying top performers for years, trying to figure out what is it that they say, what is it that they do to be a top sales performer. And you want to know what it is? It's not their secret script. It's not their secret morning routine. What it is their attitude. They have an attitude that keeps them going when things are hard, helps them overcome challenges and difficulties. They face rejection with a smile on their face. And because they have this positive attitude in the face of adversity, people like to be around them, and people like to listen to them, and people like to buy from them. Now, if you want to develop that attitude this year, I want you to drop in the comments, tell me what you think. What are the characteristics of that attitude that makes the top elite performers successful and everyone else not? Let me hear it below. I'll see you next time. Peace.